Hello everyone, welcome to math. Are you ready? We are going to start with our calendar, and we still are in, do you know what month we're still in? You're right, we're still in the month of April, which is which number month? 4. Okay, so we have 4, and we didn't do this on Friday, so we'll cross that out, or Saturday or Sunday, right? And so today would be this number. Do you see? The Monday right here. 27, 4-27, and it's still the year 2020. Excellent job, guys. All right, let's do the days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. If yesterday was Sunday, then today is Monday. Right, capital M-O-N-D-A-Y. Today is Monday, April 27, 2020. Let me ask you a question for the day. The last day of April is the 30th, right? How many more days until April 30? So remember, this is today, we don't count it, but we start counting the next day. 1, 2, 3. There's only 3 more days until the end of the month. Well, what happens after the end of the month? What would that day be? What month comes next? January, February, March, and April. There it is, May. You're right, May. Our next month would be May. Very good. All right, our clock. Let's start with this. So our hour hand is between the 8 and the 9. So we go back to the 8, right? So it's 8. And the minute hand is pointing straight down. And we know when the minute hand is pointing straight down, it says 30. So it is now 8:30. Excellent. Let's try a harder one. A little bit harder. A little bit hard. What about this one? Right? The hour hand is pointing just a little bit past the 11, which means it's still 11. And if we count by 5s, we know that the minute hand says 5, 10, 15. It's 11:15. Good job. Okay, and money. Today I have 3 of these. Those are dimes, and dimes are worth 10. And if I have 3 of them, I have to count by 10s. 10, 20, 30. And I also have one of these. What is this? A nickel. How much are nickels worth? 5. So I have 30 plus 5 more. 35. Then I have 2 of these little guys. Pennies. Pennies are worth 1. So I have 2 of them. So I have 3 dimes, 30, plus 1 nickel, 5, 35, 36, 37. I have 37 cents. Now today, we've counted by 2s, we've counted by 3s, we've counted by 4s. Now we're on to, guess what? 5s. And 5s are easy because we practice those all the time when we're counting our minute hand, right? And our nickels. So let's just do that. I bet we can do them pretty fast. Are you ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Now, we can keep going, right? 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, right? Now let's count I know you were going faster than I was. I know you were. So I'll go a little bit faster with you this way, and then we're going to go backwards and come back down to the 5. Okay, you ready? Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Very good, and backwards. 100, 95, 90, 85, 80, 75, 70, 65, 60, 55, 50, 45, 40, 35, 30, 25, 20, 15, 10, 5. Excellent. Let's move on to our kindergarten lesson. Okay, kindergartners, let's say that we are going to recess and we want to play with some balls. So we take out 4 basketballs and 2 tennis balls. So if we have both, that is that a plus or a minus? That's a plus. So we have 4 basketballs plus 2 tennis balls. How many balls total do we have? And remember, we can use our fingers or we can do our touch math, put the dots on the smaller number, say the bigger number and count on 4, 5, 6. We would have 6 balls to play with at recess. And let's say you're bouncing the balls, bounce, 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 and you count, you're counting up, and you land on a number. You bounced your ball this many times, and it could be any number that's between 25 and 32. So let's think of the numbers that could be there. Let's see. So if we're counting 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Can I keep going? I haven't gotten to 32 yet. 30, 31, 32. So these are all the numbers that I say when I'm counting between 25 and 32. So it could be any one of these numbers. In fact, you can choose which one you think could go in between here. So I'm going to choose 27. That is one of the numbers that could be between 25 and 32. All right, first graders, they want you to count by tens, but here's the trick. They want you to start with 7. So we're going to count by tens, but starting with 7. 7, 17, 27, 37, 47, 57, 67, 77, 87, 97, 107. If you see, we're still counting by tens. See the 10, 20, 30, 40, but we're counting by 7, so the 7 goes on the end, right? So it would work the same way if we count by tens, but we start with what number? We start with, on your paper, I think it's actually 6. So if we started with 6, it would be 16, 26, 36, 46, 56, 66, 76, 86, 96, 106. So you're still counting by tens, but you're just starting with you're not starting with 10, right? We also want you to make sure you know your 3D shapes. So what is a sphere? I like to say that word, sphere. Isn't that fun? Sphere. Well, it's like a ball, like a basketball or a tennis ball. I'm allergic to spheres. So when a sphere is like a ball. It's really like our Earth, right? Kind of a 3D version of a circle. So it's like our Earth, or basketballs, or tennis balls, or anything like that. That's a sphere. And then we also learned about cubes, right? And cubes are fun to make. Remember, you do 1 square, And then over here in the corner, you do a second square. And then you connect the vertices right here to make a cube, like an ice cube or a block is a cube. And then they want you to know that this is not just a triangle, but when it's 3D, it is a cone. We have all eaten an ice cream cone, right? An ice cream cone. And then this one is a cylinder. Cylinder. It's like that, or is it ER? Which one looks better? Uh-oh, guys, forgot how to spell cylinder. So cylinder. This is a cylinder. I'm gonna put it like this, but we should look it up. It might be AR. Sometimes words just go out of my mind, even if they're simple words. I don't know. I think it's R though. What do you think? Look it up. You can let me know. Which way, how do you spell cylinder? I like it this way now. I don't know. Okay, so we have a sphere, a cube, a cone, and a cylinder. All right, excellent. Okay, second and third grade. It's an E. Oh, Kaysen says it's an E. He looked it up for me. Thanks, Kaysen. Cylinder is ER. All right. Even teachers forget how to spell sometimes. Okay, now we're gonna do money. So, let's say you open up your piggy bank. And inside the piggy bank, you see 4 quarters. I'm gonna put Q for quarter. And 2 nickels. And 4 pennies. But then you go and you rummage through your couch. And you see that someone dropped in the couch cushions 3 dimes, which you didn't have any dimes before, 2 more nickels, and 1 more penny. So, how much money do you have now? Well, let's kind of break this down. We have 4 quarters, and then that's 3 dimes. Those 2 stayed the same. And then we have 2 plus 2 for the nickels. What's 2 plus 2? 4. So I have 4 nickels. And then I have 4 plus 1 penny. 4 plus 1 more is 5. So now I have 5 pennies. Okay, do you remember how much 4 quarters are? When you count by quarters, they're 25. 25, 50, 75, $1. So we have $1 right here. And then this one, 3 dimes, we count by tens. 10, 20, 30. So we have 30 cents in dimes. Nickels are worth 5, so we count by 5s 4 times. 5, 10, 15, 20. And 5 pennies are just 5, right? So let's see if you can add that up. You have $1. 30 plus 2 is 5. So 30 plus 20 is 50. Plus 5 more, 5. Did you get $1.55? If you did, you got it right. Good job. Okay, one more thing right here. We're going to do kind of an addition problem with money plus. Always start on the right hand side. So 8 plus 1, just 1 more than 8 is 9. 7 plus 3, so 7 plus 3 more, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is a double digit number, so this 0 goes down here and the 1 goes up here on the top. Now, I like to find the tens, and I know that 9 plus 1 equals 10. 10 plus 5 more is 15, and 15 is also a double digit number, which means you put the right number 5 on the bottom and you put that 1 up on the next guy's head. I don't see any tens in here, but I can go 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 4 more, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Another double digit number, so the 2 goes on the bottom and the 1 goes up on top. 3 plus 1 is 4, and 4 plus 2 more, 4, 5, 6, 6. So I have $625.09. Okay, that's it. That's math. Time to do your worksheets. Okay, have a great day.